It's me, Shikaina, and I'm here to share with you an unboxing and not a review of the new iPad Air Generation 4. Sobrang excited ko dito because I've been waiting more than a month for this iPad to come and it's finally here!
Yung tunog na narinig.
So, sa Apple PH website ko siya in-order last October 28 and this December 2 lang siya dumating. I know, napakatagal niya. Kasi natagalan siya sa customs based dun sa tracking number na binigay nila. And guys, ang laki din ng discount na nakuha ko kasi sa Apple Education ako umorder, which is nasa 40 din yung discount if you are a student. Tapos, share ko lang din, dapat yung iPad Pro 2020 talaga yung bibilhin ko. Sobrang decided na talaga ako that time na yun na talaga yung bibilhin ko. But then, nag-announce si Apple about the iPad Air 4 and it actually has a better chip which is the A14 chip compared to the iPad Pro 2020 that has the A12 chip. So, ayun, hinintay ko talaga siyang ma-release dito sa Philippines. So, ang dami ko ng sad-sad. Let's go and start the video. Just a quick disclaimer before we start this video, I'm in no way bragging. I have been working hard for the past months now and yung pinambili ko dito is actually my own hard-earned money. Fun fact lang guys, when I was about to get this iPad, I was contemplating whether or not I should get the green one or the rose gold because green was a very unique color for an iPad and ang cool niya sa mata. But I got the pink instead because it's my favorite color. I also got a free engraving for this iPad and on my Apple Pencil, which you will see later on. Most of the accessories that I got for the iPad are from Shopee. And first that I have here is a case. And this is Dior print, parang replica Dior, ganun. Ang ayaw ko lang dito is itong camera hole niya kasi parang hindi match sa iPad Air 4. Parang more on pang iPad Pro siya. And binili ko to for my iPad para lang mag-matchy dun sa AirPod case ko. And kahit na may ganito siyang silicone, dumidikit pa din yung Apple Pencil sa kanya. Next na binili kong case is another one from Shopee, but this one is a little bit more pricey compared sa ibang nakikita ko sa Shopee kasi meron siyang tatak. And eto guys, wala siyang silicone sa loob, magnetic lang siya. At yung maganda yung camera hole niya kasi perfect for iPad Air 4, hindi siya yung parang pang iPad Pro. And pag inopen mo, wala talaga siyang kahit ano, yung mismong case lang kasi magnetic siya, didikit lang yung iPad sa kanya. And then, what I like about this pa is, eto yung takip niya is natutupi. So, very functional siya, even though medyo pricey siya. I forgot to include this one, but I also got this same as sa nauna, but this time meron siyang protective case sa loob. So next that I have here is a screen protector from the brand ESR pa din. Hindi ako nag-tempered glass kasi gagamitin ko din yung iPad ko for drawing. Kaya mostly na-recommended na nakikita ko sa YouTube kapag nanonood ako is etong brand na to na paper-like screen protector. May two choices and yung pinili ko yung blue light. Ay tinanong ko kay seller kung ano pinagkaiba niya sa matte. Yung blue light daw is yung my protection for the eyes. For a screen protector, this is a bit pricey. Pero nag-invest na talaga ako sa magandang screen protector kasi this one is the highly recommended and yung lagi kong napapanood on YouTube. So next that I have here is a silicone Apple Pencil case. I got one in pink and I got one in black para matchy sila sa case ko. Kahit nilalagay ko siya sa Apple Pencil ko, dumidikit pa din siya and nag-charge pa din siya, which is really nice. And ang last na binili ko for my iPad is an OTG Type-C from the brand Ugreen. And binili ko to para magamit ko siya sa mouse ko and para ma-insert ko din yung flash drive ko or yung external ko. Ayan.
I'm in love with
To be honest, it was really hard to put this screen protector kaya makikita nyo, ang dami niyang bubbles. Struggle is real, Mars. Anyway, sa kakapunas, natatanggal naman yung bubbles niya.
Joy and pleasure to millions of music lovers.
I'm in love with Answers are you I'm in love with Answers are you I'm in love with Answers are you I'm in love with Answers are you, close your soul, lips may be